Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own Bitmoji classroom. So first of all, you want to give it a title and go ahead and change the layout to blank. Then you want to go searching for some sort of background that has a wall and a floor. They're pretty much up at the top. Otherwise, once you get down below, there's not very many good ones. So choose one that you think will work. I'm going to choose this one. And voila, that looks great. All right, so the next thing I want to do is go and get my Bitmoji, and I have it as a Chrome extension. We'll choose this girl with the coffee for right now. And we're going to go ahead and copy her and paste her right into our background. Awesome, so now she needs something else in her life. Well, first of all, she needs to be a little smaller, bigger, this way, okay. So now she needs something else. So we're going to search the web, and these Google images usually are okay for reuse. You'll find that you don't get as much of a selection, but that's okay. Notice that I put the PNG after the search for couch. That's generally going to give me a file that doesn't have a background. Not always, but generally. All right, so I'm going to go back. I need some other things. I'm going to add a table to this room. Here comes the table. I'll put it where I want it to go. Then I'm going to go ahead back to the add picture. You notice I'm doing this in different ways, just so you have an idea that yes, you can add so many different things in so many different ways. Google has about 3 ways to do everything. So I'm going to move this TV down to my table and maybe try to adjust it a little bit. What I'm trying to do here is actually turn it sideways a little bit, but I don't actually have that option. So I'm going to abandon that as soon as I figure out that it doesn't work and move on. All right, so let's see what comes next. All right, I'm going to add another Bitmoji because I know there's one of me in a picture frame. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that with a right click and a copy, and a right click and a paste, or Control C and Control V, and put that into the TV. And now I want a little YouTube link or icon, because I'm going to add a link to the videos that I've been making for you for this class. So there's a YouTube icon. Click it, make it smaller, and there it is. So now I'm going to link it. You notice up in the toolbar there's a link, and underneath insert there's a link, and alternatively you can use Control K. So I'm going to paste the link in this box. There it is. And now I'm going to go and add something else. I think possibly a book. And then I'm going to add some text on top of that book. Oh, this is my bookshelf, sorry. So there's my bookshelf, just to make the room a little bit prettier. I do need something else, and I'm going to add to this as we go on. But now I'm going to go and get a book. And insert image. Here we go, book. All right. So I've searched for a book. I want one that's facing the right way. I'm going to add it to my couch, just like it's sitting there. It's any normal old book. And then I'm going to get the text tool and put some text here. So this is going to be a link to my blog, which I don't update regularly. So you can click on it, but you're not going to see anything that's terribly new. But for those of you who teach technology, there are a couple of ideas. I used to update it regularly when I was teaching technology full time. And I want to link that text, so I'm just going to highlight the text and then link it to my blog in a moment here after I've grouped it to the book. I noticed that grouping it to the book didn't actually keep it with the book, so it didn't matter that I did that. So we're going to go techie.teacherpie.blogspot.com. And there we go. So I've added that, and now I want a cube because I'm going to add a merge cube, and I'm going to link this to a video. Oh no, that one didn't have a background that I want, a clear background, so we'll go find another one. Perfect. And add that. So we're going to link this to a video that's actually on my school YouTube channel. So I'm going to run over to my school self and go to YouTube, and then go down to my channel, my videos, and scroll through all those videos I made for distance learning and find this one. So this is the one that talks or shows about using the merge cube for my students, and then I pasted it in the wrong spot, so I need to add the link to this picture, and voila. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to File and Publish. We're going to publish this image to the web. And it's not going to advance, so this part doesn't matter. It's not even going to restart. So we're just going to hit Publish and OK. And now this link, this URL, we're going to paste so you can see an example of how this works. And we're pasting it. And it's just like this slide is living out there on the internet by itself, and I can click those items that are linked. There's the playlist. I can click on the merge cube, that takes me to that video, and I can click on the blog text, and that takes me to the blog. So that is how you create your very own Bitmoji classroom.